What's up, peeps? Putting in a new steering wheel, and a lot of people don't know the angle that you got to put the screwdriver in. So you got 3 holes, you got 2 on the side, but you have to come up just enough. See what our head's at? Slight angle. Same with the left side. But the bottom one, underneath, all you do is go straight up. So finally, it took me a little bit to get them off. Airbag. Made sure. Took these yellow tabs, pulled them up, unclipped it. But the ground, there's a clip on the bottom right there that you hold in, and you pull it out. So far so good. In the beginning I made sure I put the negative off the battery so that way the airbag won't explode. And then the tips and tricks that said you get this bolt out right here, but you don't screw it on. You don't screw it off the whole way. You know, what they did was they wiggled the steering wheel side to side and it popped up, so it wouldn't yank you in your face. So I'm gonna stop this right now and I'm gonna get into that. So I got the middle bolt off. It's a lot harder than I thought, wiggling it side to side like that. So what I did was use some force, wiggle it side to side, and finally it popped. Make sure these wires, pull it out slow and steady, so that way right in here doesn't move at all, and then you'll have no problems putting the new steering wheel back, and it won't have no wrong position. It'll be the same position you start out with. For me, I couldn't lock the steering wheel, it wouldn't lock, so I had a little trouble with the bolt a little bit. Back at it. This piece just came right off, but in order for you to get it off, this brown clip has to be popped through this hole right here, and it pops right off. And then you got your 3 screws, and the bottom piece comes right out, and then the top 2, they just pop right out. Just make sure you don't snap these. Pulling out. That came off pretty easy. The wiring harness was attached to these 2 clips up here. You just take them out. So far, super simple. And then remember, take all 3 of these pins out. So as soon as you pop them out, they'll transfer over to the new steering wheel. Yeah, bada bing, there she is. Finished product. Good. I do say so myself. All you do is follow the steps backwards, and then the airbag just clips right back in. Can't wait to drive with this thing.